Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and share your screen on a Zoom meeting. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So it is going to be the most simplest process. As you can see, I'm already in a meeting right over here. If you are not already in one, simply go ahead and join your meeting. And also I want to tell you that you can only share your screen if it is your own meeting or you have permission to go ahead and share screen, and the participant or the owner of the stream or the host of the stream does allow you to share your screen. Now all you need to do in order to share your screen is click on this share button right over here, and now as you can see it says you can share entire screen, you can share record application windows right over here. You can also go ahead and share documents, whiteboards. You can also go ahead and share computer audio, iPad via AirPlay and stuff like that. So you can just go ahead and select on screen and then click on share, and there you go, you are sharing screen. As you can see it says here, and all the participants will be able to see this. Now I'm just going to click on stop share and it's going to finish. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.